Want to know how to clear your TikTok cache on Android? If your app is slowing down, crashing, or videos won't load, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy methods to clear your TikTok cache so you can fix these issues fast. I'll walk you through both options and you can try whichever one works best for you. Let's get started. Method 1, from the TikTok app. So to do that, open your TikTok app. Now tap on your profile. Tap on the menu bar, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Free Up Space. From here, you can easily clear your app cache. Method 2, from Settings. To do that, open Settings on your device, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now search for TikTok and tap on it. Then tap on Storage. At the bottom, you'll find Clear Data. Tap on it. Then tap Clear Cache and confirm it by pressing OK. So that's how you clear the TikTok cache on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.